The iPhone 14 Pro is the latest and greatest phone on the market. It has an all-new design and a whole lot of new features. But when it comes to protecting that phone, you need more than just a case. You need a screen protector and a glass screen protector to keep your phone looking as good as new for years to come. We have developed a new case for the iPhone 14 Pro that will protect it from all sorts of damages. The new iPhone 14 Pro case is here to protect your phone from scratches and other damages. It's made from high-quality materials that will last for years to come. It also has a sleek design that will allow you to show off your phone without having to worry about it getting scratched up with time. So today's video I will show you 5 best iPhone 14 Pro case you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. CASEOLOGY. We all know how important it is to protect your iPhone. Why not do it in style? With our new premium Parallax Mag case, you can show off your personality with its stylish Hexa Cube design and keep your device safe at the same time. Now available for Apple's latest 14 Pro phone, it's a one-of-a-kind case you won't find anywhere else. The CASEOLOGY Parallax Mag case features a built-in magnet that's designed to work with the MagSafe connector of your MacBook. Made out of high-quality material and with the latest technology, this case is perfect for any business professional looking for a stylish and safe way to transport their device. Protect your phone with CASEOLOGY's beautiful, slim, yet protective Parallax Mag case. The built-in magnets protect the charging port from dust and debris. Unique 3D Hexa Cube design is fashionable and functional. Compatible with iPhone 14 Pro. Number 4. SPEC. Protect your phone wherever you go with the SPEC product's Gemshell glitter case. It is an easy-to-hold, slim fit that doesn't add bulk to your device. With a 1-year warranty, this case will protect your phone against everyday drops and falls. No more cracked screens or scratches ruining your phone. This SPEC product's case is perfect for any iPhone user who knows the value of a good phone case. Not only does it have a durable hard shell that's drop-proof up to 8 feet, but it also has a strong layer of soft rubber inside to protect your screen and camera. I love how it has an easy way to charge wirelessly, so no more cables. Plus, it's slim enough to fit in your pocket so you can take your phone anywhere. Number 3. CASEMATE. We have the perfect iPhone case for you here at CASEMATE. Our package includes a tough black case, a tempered glass screen protector, and a 30W USB-C charger. These items will give you comprehensive protection from drops and scratches to your phone, not to mention the fact that our package is also compatible with wireless charging and the original charger that came with your phone. The best protection for your iPhone 14 Pro with a sleek and slim design. Keeps your phone safe from scratches, bumps, and shocks. Comes with a protective case, tempered glass screen protector and charger. The iPhone 14 Pro tempered glass screen protector is crafted with a thin, yet extremely durable 9H glass to protect your iPhone screen. Comfortable and sensitive touch makes you feel nothing on the screen. Camera lens protector uses protection frames and double-tempered glass to provide ultimate protection to your camera lenses, prevents smudges and streaks. Number 2. Pelican. Pelican, the leading provider of ruggedized and waterproof cases, announces the launch of its new Shield series, which is engineered to provide the ultimate protection for your iPhone. Pelican Shield series is made from durable polycarbonate and includes a sleek modern design with a rubberized exterior for grip. The Pelican Shield series includes not only a case for your iPhone, but also a belt clip holster with 21 feet drop protection and polycarbon. With a variety of features for the professional photographer. This case will protect your phone from any damages, like scratches and drops. It also has enough space to store your credit cards and cash. Made of durable materials and soft lining, you don't have to worry about your phone getting scratched or damaged. Perfectly aligned built-in magnets make wireless charging faster and easier, and works well with all the MagSafe accessories like wireless chargers, wallets, battery packs, phone grips, car mounts, and more. Number 1. OtterBox. Say hello to your new favorite iPhone case. Updated textured sidewalls give you a better grip, while the graphics are just as sharp as they were before. The OtterBox Symmetry Series Graphics Antimicrobial Case with MagSafe for iPhone 14 Pro is well designed to protect your phone from the rigors of daily life. The case will keep your phone safe from dust, dirt, and scratches. With a slim, sleek design for an effortlessly stylish appearance, the OtterBox Symmetry Series Graphics Antimicrobial Case with MagSafe for iPhone 14 Pro is your go-to accessory. Sleek, protective and stylish. It's the perfect choice to suit your active lifestyle. The sleek graphic design is uniquely shaded and offers a more immersive experience without sacrificing protection. Get more out of your device with an OtterBox graphic case.